And a 2, and a 1. And we're live. It is Atlantic Scrum. Sam and Thomas and also Viviana is with me here in person. We'll put on an old screen share. Malugi, let's just check in first with Thomas. How are things with you, Thomas?
Just fine, thank you. Just checking in. I haven't done much today. Since we spoke last time, I wrote a little script for a spot that targets future potential members for AgileVentures. I posted a link to that. It's a Google Doc, so if anybody wanna have something to add or say it's just a draft.
Where did you post that to?
In AV Community Talk, I think.
Oh, okay. Spot script.
Yeah, I think you have to click the upper link there. Yeah. So it's just a draft. I was just playing around with words basically. So.
Okay. Yes.
It's not a priority in any way. I just had some spare time basically. So.
Sure.
But other than that, I haven't. I've been busy working. So.
Cool. Yeah. I was going to show Bibiana the Pledgy campaign.
Yeah.
We're kind of nearing our database limits for AgileVentures in terms of what we've got on the free tier from Heroku. So we've started a bit of a fundraising campaign to help pay for those things. Which is great.
Yeah, please share the link. We need traffic to that site.
Yes, indeed. So yeah, on my side, day of coding. I think I've passed on. We've got the new LocalSupport multi-category interface, which I've pushed on to the client. John using various features here, including labels and little to-do lists and so on in the pull request. So this is, it's interesting. We're making the search, the front-end interface more complex. We'll see what the client thinks about that in tomorrow's client meeting. I think I'm probably not going to review the code in any detail until tomorrow afternoon. We will see what we will see. Yeah, but that's about it. Oh, the other thing I have got is I've got from the Snow Angels. I had the link for their system, and Josh confirmed for me that it was ready to be shown to the client. So we've got the Snow Angels app. So that's this system here where you can register as volunteers. All that.
Yeah, Helen told us that to try.
Right. Oh, right. So we've had an email from Helen on that. So there's.
Is this one of the charities that was in the last jamboree, or?
Yes, that's right.
Interesting.
So Bibiana is one of the people who was working on that, and Helen, yeah. So she okay.
Would it be something about the database?
Well, quite possibly. I think what we would need to look here is we would need to get set up with access to that in order to look at it. Do you have access to the Heroku app?
Well, the Heroku app is in searches.
Right. Yeah. So I think what we'll have to do here is we'll have to get on to Josh and ask him. Is it Snow Angels? Hi, Josh. We're getting some errors on the Heroku system. Can you provide us access? Maybe add me, tansako@gmail.com, as a collaborator. Yeah, so if we can get in and look at the database, then we can maybe try and work out what's going wrong there. But
you have to check the logs.
Yeah, exactly. That's one of the things is that even though, so Josh will have deployed it, but for a team, usually one would set it up so that all members of the team have collaborator access to the same Heroku application, and then anybody could.
So you can do the same as in GitHub.
Yes, you can. Yeah, so that's kind of an important step there. Yeah. So there we go. I think that's about Bibiana. Anything from your side? I guess you're busy hunting for jobs, are you?
Well, I'm really doing a lot. Yeah, I don't know. The days pass by and. I have like a week open in this material that comes did for new people, new members.
You had a something. I didn't quite understand what you said. You had a.
Thomas video for new members.
Oh, okay, right.
And I had it open to watch it right there.
Oh, but you haven't managed to actually watch it. Yes.
But the tab is open.
Oh, okay, right. You're gonna right. Yes.
So to know exactly what I need to have to start.
Well,
because I checked one of.
Yes.
There is also like a post in the website of things you need to have before.
Oh, there's a getting started page we have of things.
I think there are things that I don't have.
Yeah, although I would say that you know, yeah. I mean, you know, you've got GitHub. By the way, did you use what did you use for Snow Angel? Did you use Pivotal Tracker or Trello, or you use Trello? And is that a public Trello account? I mean, I think you added me. You added me to it, Snow Angels, and yeah. But so that's the kind of thing that is it not public? Well, and I think that was the thing with talking to Helen is, I guess, is there any data in here that's confidential? Is there, I mean, it's not like email, phone numbers of people who were, you know, going to be volunteers in the site. But I'll put that into, part of the process here is kind of going through and, you know, making sure that we have the information in here so that other people can kind of get involved and carry on with the project. So I'll put in here. I mean, actually, Thomas, maybe you could just click on this link and see our Trello.
Yeah, once you save it, I can do it.
Management system page. Okay, that's that. Yeah, I'll paste the link to you in the.
Ah, okay. You can just save the document. I have it up. So.
Yeah. Oh, do you? Yeah, the document is saved.
Yeah. All right.
I posted it in Slack as well. But so.
Board not found. So no, this board is not open.
So I mean, do you want to make that? Are you the admin for the Trello thing? Are you happy to make it public? Yeah. I mean, it's the kind of thing that, you know, in terms of AgileVentures, what we've got is these different projects, and people's interest to get involved in them is a function of them being able to sort of like look through what's being done and what's going on. I guess what I'm also, do we have, yeah, we do have a Snow Angels, yeah, and so we do actually have, we have a Snow Angels Slack channel and so on. Oh, cool. Do you want to just try it again, Thomas?
Sure, go ahead. Yes, it's open now. Yeah.
Great, great. So there we go. This is, you know, we're on. So, but yeah, I mean, so then, I mean, the next step is, you know, if we can get Josh to give us access to the Heroku thing, and then we can share it, and then I can maybe get that error, and we can get it into a state where, you know, Helen can be showing it to other people as an example, and this, that, and the other. Cool, cool, good stuff. Well, is that about anything else that we need to concern ourselves with, Thomas?
No, I see that Joseph is here.
Ah, oh, hello, Joseph. How are you doing?
Hi, fine. Long time no see. I'm back now.
Welcome back.
Good to see you.
I see many new projects of AgileVentures.
Yes, yes, indeed. We've got, you know, quite a few have been started off. We've had this charity jamboree happening here at Makers Academy, and so Makers students with their final projects have been doing charity projects.
Yeah, charity projects.
Yeah, so I mean, you know, for good causes, and yeah, so I mean, Bibiana's here with me, and she worked on Snow Angels, which is kind of a system for helping, you know, get volunteers together to help elderly people.
Oh, I see. I
yeah.
understand.
Yeah.
Charity.
How are things with you? Are you doing lots of programming, lots of open source?
No, I just read books only, so not contribute to any open source project.
Yeah. Are
So,
you hoping to get involved with some open source projects?
yeah, I really want to do it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you might find. I mean, I always feel bad that you tried to get involved in Autograders, and that was a very, very complex project. But something like Snow Angels, is something that is, I think, a more straightforward. It's a Rails project. Yeah.
Maybe
You
I want to join.
you might find it easier to get involved with one of these new projects with some of the makers' alumni. Yeah, I mean, check it out. We've just made the project management thing open here, and this time on a Wednesday is kind of a regular time when I get together with the
Snow Angel, okay.
Yeah.
And one problem, Snow Angel. Is there any pivotal tracker for Snow Angel?
There's a Trello. They're using
Based
Trello.
on previous.
Yeah,
Trello. Okay,
they don't
Trello.
use Tracker. They use Trello, Joseph. It's another tool.
Oh.
But there's a link to Trello in the project description. You can check it out and you can sign up for that. It's a free service, I think.
I've just invited you to the project chat room, Joseph.
Yeah.
And the Trello.
GG.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I got to take off, guys. So as usual, live long and prosper.
Catch you tomorrow. Just to let you know, I'm off on Friday, so probably not Euro to Scrum on Friday.
I know. I'll try to host it on Friday then.
Yeah, lovely. Thanks,
All right,
Thomas. Bye.
thanks. All right, cheers.
Okay.
Cheers. All right. Yeah, Joseph. So I think I've got to nip off for another meeting now, but do check out the Trello instance and read about the Snow Angels and so on. We've got like a prototype up, but it's got some errors at the moment. We're just trying to get access to the Heroku server. But yeah, stick around. Come to other Atlantic Scrums, and we'll see if we can get you involved.
So Atlantic Scrum. Sorry, one question. So
Yes.
the Atlantic Scrum at this time.
Yes. Yes, this is Atlantic Scrum now.
Regular meeting.
Yeah, it's
And for Snow Angels, is there a specific meeting for Snow Angels?
not at the moment. Not at the moment. I mean,
Snow Angel project. Is there?
It's an agile project. It was done in there's a 2-week final project of Makers Academy, and now the students have graduated and they're kind of around a little bit, but so they're not kind of really actively working on it right now. But if we can get some people together, and I'm just at the moment sorting out access to all of the different bits and pieces. So just have a look over it, familiarize yourself with the projects, and I'll let you know as soon as we are making any progress on it.
So what are the projects that has activity now?
Oh, well, the mainly active projects are, well, you see in our project page, it's now been reordered, so you can see the projects with most activity at the top. So website 1's pretty active, LocalSupport, OSRA, and then based in terms so these other ones here. But basically, if you want active projects, start at the top of the current projects list and work your way down.
Okay. So I can check that information on the AgileVentures website, right?
Yes, exactly. Current projects is now the ones at the top are the ones that are more active.
Okay, great.
All right. Nice.
Okay, great.
All right, good to see you. I'm going to nip off.
Yeah, happy Easter. Yeah, okay.
Bye for now.